Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their Bestway Flowclear 58515 for vacuuming? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Unpack and inspect. Carefully unpack all components and inspect for any damage. Step 2. Position sand filter. Position the sand filter on solid, level ground with ports accessible. Step 3. Secure sand filter. Securely fix the sand filter vertically using bolts and nuts. Step 4. Connect to pool. Connect the sand filter to the pool using the right 38M connection. Step 5. Perform backwash. Perform backwash and rinsing to prep the pump and clean the sand. By following these steps, you should now be able to connect your Bestway Flowclear 58515 water pump for vacuuming easily and effectively. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Bestway users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.